Oh, look at that snake.
There you go. We got the end at least. 3 minutes now. All the fish are... Oh, it's not fish.
Why?
The
Why
water
does
jumping.
it stop some reason?
Because it's only set to record for 7. This tunnel. Oh, we're going to get soaked here, kids. This water's dropping in, look.
Oh no.
Whoa. Tell them to go back. It's raining this side.
Look, it's Vape Nation.
Ah,
Make sure you get covered up.
no way.
Look at that.
Look at it dropping. Oh.
Look at it, look at this.
Ah, the water's coming in and it's salty minging water.
Come on, fish. Oh, they're not fish, are they?
There you go. Yeah, there's lights at the end of
Look,
this tunnel.
look, it's Vape Nation.
Okay,
Guys,
get this one, get you.
someone has
Yeah,
a YouTube
right,
channel
shall we
called
make the
Vape
end?
Lord.
Oh, look. There's a lovely,
Look, it's my
well done.
body. Someone's body.
There you go, they're coming out now. Yeah, noisy buggers. There you go, well done.
Someone's YouTube channel called Vape Lord.
Well done, you two. Hey. Now watch out for them. Watch out for them crazy drivers behind you. Yeah, look where we're going. Can we go back in the tunnel? You kidding? You don't want to go through that again, do you? Right then. Well done, you two. You drove through the tunnel successfully.